Hello, today I will show you how to fix the mouth with the problem that his scroll wheel is broken. As you see here, this is my wireless mouth. This mouth have the broken part. Here is the mouse wheel is broken, it's bad, and many people will just throw this mouth away because it's broken. But with the 3D printers, we can fix it. As you see, I'm just redesign and copy this model. We use the SolidWorks. I designed it using the SolidWorks, and I also post this designer on the Thanksgiving. Design this wheel is not difficult. You just need to know something about the 3D design, and this the main important is you need to know the exactly size for the encoder. As you see here, encoder hexagon size. As you see, this roller need to get through to the encoder. So the design this model, 3D model, is need to know this hexagon size. This size is about 1.373 millimeters, and with this, you just get out this STL file, then print it onto your 3D printers. In this case, I just chose print on the Western 3D printers. DLP or the SLA printer is okay because this part is very small, and when print the small parts, we suggest that you just you'd better use the DLP or SLA printers. It's the better. If your FDM printer is accurate enough, but you need to turn to its layer into 0.0 millimeters to print it on your FDM printers. And I also want to tell you about how to print this cylindrical objects. Cylindrical objects when we print it on the SLA or DLP printers, we need to make it we make to tie the green, something like this one, something like tie around 45 degrees to make it easy to print. So I just show you that. And I also, as we see here, we have printed out 3 models, and one of this is getting off the printers. And come to the results. We need to map it to the mouth. First, we need to get where this wobbles. the size fits, it's okay. And then you need to insert it to the board, to the encoder. And as you see, now the roller can get into it. The size is fixed. It's fit for the encoder. Yes. Now you can roll it again. And its strength for the resin is okay too. But I suggest that you need to use the strong enough resin to print this model out. If your resin is not strong enough, it will cause the same problem. Okay, that's all. And by the way, if your mouth double click or click is not okay, here you just need to change two of these switches. If your left click or the right click not function enough, you just need to change these two switches. This is also very easy. So once your mouth is broken, you can change by DIY to fix the problem by yourself. It's very easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.